let's get started. For today's meeting, we'll go through the agenda items from start to the end. Now, I think there's there's all familiar faces here, all the friends here. Okay, cool. Then next, we are glad to have a new committer to join the Apache Library co-contributor team named Liu Shengsong. So congratulations to Liu Shengsong for his contributions in a long term. Okay, cool. If you guys are interested in the details, you can see the announced email. Yeah. Hope more and more contributors can join the committer and the contributor team. Okay. So the next, let's move on. The next item is the highlights happened in the last 2 weeks. Okay, the first one is about the next major kernel upgrade from Postgres 16 to 18. Okay, I think there are also some response to this discussion. If you guys have some points, welcome to leave your comments. But I think no rush. There is no strong demand to push the next major kernel upgrade. We need we need a strong Postgres 16 main branch to build a sound ground for the next major kernel upgrade. Right? We need for now our ecosystem components also need to be added the Postgres 16 branch support. So I think there's no rush to push this achievement. Yeah. So I would like to have your comments too. Okay.
Yes, we also have a lot of commits haven't merged yet, and those commits also should be adjusted to the new Postgres for the 16, for example, easy extension and other big pull requests, big changes. So I agree, no need to rush, need to complete work in a progress, and then we could start new task, new big challenge to upgrade to Postgres 18.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah,
also,
I think.
Sorry. Also, another. Another in my mind, we could discuss how to improve process of upgrading. I mean, what we could change in our kernel to make the whole process easier. For example, rewrite some components or split up big pull requests to the chunks, right chunks, maybe. Well, it's again the matter of discussion. We could start it a little bit later, but why not to improve our code? If we want to upgrade once again, it maybe Postgres 18, it's not the end of our upgrade. There will be a Postgres 19 or 20. So.
Okay, cool. Good ideas. So let's move on. For the 2.0 for the release 2 branch. Now, I think Rachel Korea has helped submit a new pull request on upgrading the base, the Postgres base from 14.8 to 14.9. But this pull request is still in the progress. Okay. Now I think in the 2 release branch, the latest Postgres base is 14.8, right? Yeah. So I think it's a good base for us to for the coming new release. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks, Richard Korea, for his great work on leading the Miner kernel upgrade. Okay, let's go to the next item. There is one pull request on adding the Iceberg support, but it's the kernel upgrade. But it's about the kernel related part. So I think this PR is also still in the progress and still in getting more feedback and comments. So as already see, Andrew and other community members have left your valuable feedback on this progress. So hope we can integrate this great feature in the following weeks. Okay. So guys, if you have any comments, welcome to unmute yourself. Okay, for the last one is about the align the commits between the Postgres 14 archive branch and the release 2 stable branch. So thanks Leonard for your work to cherry pick these commits to the release 2 stable branch. So I think we have I think the release 2 stable branch has all the commits before our major kernel upgrade to Postgres 16. If we, I think before we release our 2.2 release, maybe we need to cherry pick more commits from main to our release 2 stable branch after the major kernel upgrade. But we need to choose some commits that apply to Postgres 14 base. Yeah. It still needs some work.
Yes. I just like to add that Rel2 stable is ready for commits commits from main branch. It's his state is before the switching to the new kernel. So here now we could merge other functionality that should be in a new release. Well, we are working on Easy extension, and it was an example, just an example. Easy was ready, then we switch the kernel, so need to do some work again, and everything is done. So we almost ready to merge. Yeah, in real to stable and to release it and to use it in production environment. Okay.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Anyone have any comments on the main items in the main report? Okay. Cool. Let's move on. Let's go to the next module. The topic is about the ecosystem and the extension updates. The first one is about Cloudberry PXF. I'm not sure. Nikolai? Okay. He is absent to this meeting. It doesn't matter. So I can share some updates on those ecosystem projects. For Cloudberry PXF, there are two pull requests to improve for Cloudberry PXF. One is about to bump log4j to the version to 2.25. Okay, I think these two pull requests have been merged into the main branch. Okay, yeah. Besides this, there's no important updates for the Cloudberry PXF, but I think for the coming 2.2 release, we still have lots of items to do ahead. Yeah. Okay. So for the next one, Cloudberry backup. Thanks to Anton's help, we have bumped the Go version to 1.25 in the last 2 weeks. Now there is also a new pull request to add the Postgres 16 branch, a Cloudberry branch support for the Cloudberry backup. But we also need more updates on this pull request. Yeah. So I think there is also one pull request to add the Postgres 16 support to the Cloudberry PXF. It's still also in the progress. Yeah. So in the coming weeks, maybe we can add the Postgres 16 support to these two projects. Yeah. Okay. For the Cloudberry Go library project, there is a new issue I created today. I would like to create one new file to support the coming release. So just like the file will be similar to the Cloudberry PXF release or Cloudberry release file. Our release manager can use the new release script to create the release files more quickly. Yeah. I hope next week I can finish this work. Yeah. Okay. Then Leonard, you can use this new file to create the new release for Cloudberry.
Yes.
Go Libs. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The last one, I noticed there are two Kubernetes operators project for Apache Cloudberry. Yeah, I just listed them here. One is created by Med. The other one is created by Elixir. I think they are both good, both great projects. Maybe we can discuss how to coordinate these two contributors to work on to improve or create an official Kubernetes operator for Apache Clubberry. I hope so. So everyone can work together. Yeah. I think in the cloud native era, there is a strong demand for our community to have an official Kubernetes operator. Yeah. So let's see how it will go in the next. Yeah. Also,
Yeah,
I think.
great. I think we could start discussion in mailing list and to discuss the both operators, and well, I do not want to say which one is better, but we should. Well, it will be great if we could integrate our efforts in one way to create the best operator.
Yeah. Yes.
Test it thoroughly to create good functionality. So, well,
yeah. Yes. I can create a new mailing thread to initiate the discussion on the Kubernetes operator for Apache Clubberry. Yeah. Okay. The last one is the Clubberry Command Center. I just shared the workflow on donating the Yandex Command Center to Apache for your reference. So I'm not sure if any plans in the following weeks to donate the Yandex project to Apache.
Okay, thank you. I will read it and then decide how to move forward. So, of course,
okay,
we should. As we decided to do it, we should do it, not to postpone it forever.
Okay, cool. So if any questions, feel free to let me know. I would like to help.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let's move on. I think there's no big updates on the site. Just some major docs updates or some pages updates for the site. So let's skip this module. The next topic is about the marketing and the events. For the coming ApacheCon Asia 2026, the conference schedule will be in public in the next week, I'm sure. Yeah, the organization team has been working on it. Yeah. Besides that, I will ping you, Leonard. We can talk about your guys' journey to Beijing. Yeah, we can set up some meetings to discuss that our Clubberry's incubation and the graduation in and other topics we are interested in. Yes, I will ping you in the original mailing thread. Okay. So hope we can have a great together in Beijing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the next topic is about the CI and release. Okay, let me share some updates. The first one is we have added the Rocky Linux team workflow support in the CI workflow, but this workflow is still treated after the PR is merged. So for the next step, I plan to refactor our workflow to build a test matrix to include all the supported operating system, like from Rocky Linux 8, 9 to 10, and Ubuntu 22 and 24. These operating can share one workflow file. So I think that's like we discussed in the discussion in the past months. Yeah, if I hope I can take over this work in the following weeks. Yeah, I would like to take action on this. Yeah. Okay. This week I'm also working on drafting a new wiki page. Its name, the new page name, the release runbook. That lists the operation command step by step on guiding the release manager, creating the release from start to the end. So, but it's still in the draft. I hope we can finish this work in the early days next week. So for the coming release, I hope Leonard can take this as a reference.
Yes,
and, yeah.
Check if we missed something or not. Yes, it will be great.
Okay, but it is still in the draft. I need more polishment to this draft page. Yes. Okay, cool. If the new wiki page is done, I will share the updates on our mailing list and will let you know. So, okay. Okay, I think almost we in today's meeting we have covered most of the topics. The last one is about our new release 2.2. Okay, I'm not sure if any other jobs we have to finish before we starting the new release.
I thought about it. We need more time. I think about 2 weeks. 2 weeks to complete work with PXF, with an extension like Easy, and to cherry picking commits to increasing our kernel to 14.9. So since all those work will be done, we could start discussing about releasing 2.2. So I think it's for our developers. We have 2 more weeks, and then start discussing and start the process of launching new release. No more postpone anymore. So we need to move forward.
Okay, cool. So I think no rush to cut off the release before all the things are ready. So don't worry, take your time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm not sure if any other topics you guys want to discuss in our today's community meeting. Okay, cool. So I think that's all for our today's meeting. The next meeting date will be July 24th. I'm not sure if the date is okay for you guys.
Oh, so sounds great. Let's meet.
Okay, cool. So, okay. If any more topics we don't cover in this meeting, we can talk about. We can go on the discussion in our mailing list or pull request and other community channels. Okay, so I think that's all, guys. So it's time to say goodbye for the meeting. Okay, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Bye.
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 Bye.